Is AI replacing tech workers or hiding cuts? Meta's Mark Zuckerberg just admitted the company made mistakes in how it pushed AI through its workforce, and that puts the blame game right in the open. Mark Zuckerberg told employees that Meta has made mistakes in its AI transformation of the workforce. Reuters reported after seeing an internal memo. That matters because it shifts the conversation from simple innovation talk to internal accountability. If a company that is pushing hard into AI is already admitting mistakes, people will ask whether job cuts are really about technology or about how leadership is using technology to justify change. That question is exploding because workers do not just hear about AI strategy, they feel its impact in the workplace. When a company changes how it organizes teams around AI, the result can look like efficiency, restructuring, or plain cuts, depending on where you sit. Meta's admission gives the debate a sharper edge because it suggests the rollout itself may have gone wrong, not just the message around it. This is where the story gets uncomfortable for tech companies. If AI is genuinely replacing parts of the job, that is one argument. If AI is being used as cover for decisions already made, that is another. Zuckerberg's memo does not settle that fight, but it shows the issue is now internal, public, and personal for employees trying to read what comes next. For now, the clearest takeaway is simple. The debate is no longer abstract. Meta's own CEO has acknowledged mistakes in the company's AI transformation of its workforce, and Reuters says that came from an internal memo to employees. The next signal is whether the company changes course or keeps pushing the same AI playbook while workers absorb the consequences. So the answer today is not a clean yes or no. Meta's memo shows AI can be both a real force inside the workplace and a convenient explanation for cuts. What matters next is whether companies prove the job changes are necessary or just hide behind the AI label.